2025 Ford F250. This is the way the system works for the kill switch through the cell phone. We also give you a hit and toggle switch in the event that the phone takes a crap or the battery dies or you're in a bad signal and you armed it and you went to a festival, whatever, and whatever reason you took forever and your battery died in your phone. You have to have plan B. It's a hit and toggle switch that you're going to flip, and then you're able to do this without the phone. And then once you get home and charge your phone or back in the car with the cable, whatever. Or you can simply be in a bad area. There's a lot of bad areas depending on your carrier. So to arm it, you're going to hit lock to immobilize the vehicle. Okay, it's going to give you the ding. Okay, now try to start your truck. It doesn't start, turn it off. And then to start it, you're going to hit the unlock here. And now start the truck. And that's as simple as that. And then the GPS, you're going to hit it here. It tells you where the truck is. By the way, the guy doesn't live here. We went to a different location for security reasons. We don't like to show location where the vehicle's parked, if it's a guy's home or whatnot. And first year is free, and after that it's $30 once a year. This is one way you can do the kill switch through an app on the phone. A lot of people do it for rental, if you're going to rent out the truck or lend it to a friend or whatever, or for theft. You can disable it if you're in a bad area or you have a lot of theft going on around your neighborhood or whatever. You can arm it anytime you want and disarm it anytime you want, and then it's got a hit and switch that you're going to flip in the event that this thing dies, the battery dies or whatnot. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the immobilizer kill switch starter kill for the 2025 Ford F250. We also have it for the 350 and the 150 and all the other vehicles as well. Thank you for watching this video. This is by the way, if you're out of state, you can give us a call and we can sell you the kit. It's already going to come prepared, and you'll be able to do the installation yourself. Thank you for watching this video.